Hey, what's up? It's Brian of Kid and Dad Monovlog. Welcome back. And of course, welcome din po sa mga bago nating subscribers, followers, and hopefully nag-e-enjoy po kayo doon sa mga previous videos natin. Ayan. So, for today's video, gagawin po natin ng in-depth review itong si ZV1 Mark II. Ayan. So, tetestingin natin yung iba't ibang features, offerings nitong ZV1 Mark II kasi previously medyo mga short videos and some photo samples lang yung ating na-share, no? Okay, so ayun, let's go ahead and dive deep into the ZV1 Mark II. Alright, we're using profile picture 1 and the filter is on, mic is auto, and we're using a tripod, and we're on aperture priority mode. And now we're using profile picture 2 and the filters still on, mic auto, and the tripod still on aperture priority mode. Now we're using profile picture 3, same thing, ND filter on, mic is auto, on a tripod using aperture priority mode. Now we're using profile picture 4, still same thing, ND filter on, mic auto, tripod, aperture priority mode. Now we're using profile picture 5, same thing, ND filter on, mic is auto, tripod, aperture priority mode. And now we're using profile picture 6, ND filter on, mic auto, tripod, using aperture priority mode. And now we're using profile picture 7, same thing, ND filter on, mic is auto, using a tripod, and on aperture priority mode. So now we're using profile picture 8, still same, ND filter is on, mic is auto, on a tripod, using aperture priority mode. And now we're using profile picture 9, still same thing, ND filters on, mic is auto, using a tripod, and using aperture priority mode. And last one is profile picture 10, still the same thing, ND filters on, mic is auto, using a tripod, on aperture priority mode. No profile picture, we're just using the standard creative look. And the filter is on, mic is auto, on a tripod, on aperture priority mode. Profile picture is off. We're using portrait mode in creative look. ND filter is on. Mic is auto. On a tripod. The aperture priority mode. No profile picture. Vivid one in creative look. ND filter is on. Mic is auto. On a tripod. Using aperture priority mode. No profile picture. Using the Vivid 2 creative look. ND filter is on. Mic is auto. On a tripod. Using aperture priority mode. Profile picture is off. We're using the IN in creative look. Not sure what IN stands for. Check na lang natin. ND filter is on. Mic is auto. On a tripod. On aperture priority mode. Profile picture is off. We're using the SH in creative look. Again, hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung SH. Check na lang natin. ND filter is on. Mic is auto. On a tripod. Using the aperture priority mode. No profile picture. We're using the black and white in creative look. ND filter is on. Mic is auto. On a tripod. On aperture priority mode. Now we're using the cinematic vlog on classic and auto mode. Again, ND filter is on. Mic is automatic. On a tripod. On aperture priority mode. Now we're using cinematic vlog in auto. ND filter is on. Mic is auto. On a tripod. On aperture priority mode. Now we're using chic in cinematic vlog in auto. ND filter is on. Mic is auto. On a tripod. On aperture priority mode. Now we're using fresh in cinematic vlog in auto. ND filter is on. Mic is auto. On a tripod. Using aperture priority mode. And now we're using mono in cinematic mode. ND filter is on. Mic is auto. On a tripod. On aperture priority mode. Alright, so now we are using the built-in microphone of the ZV1 Mark II. So how does it sound using the auto mode? Test mic, 1, 2, 3. Test mic, 1, 2, 3. Test mic, 1, 2, 3. And now I'm at the back of the camera. Test mic, 1, 2, 3. And now we are testing still the built-in mic, the ZV1 Mark II using front setting. Yan, so front lang yung bali ka-capture niya. So testingin natin sa ibang sides. Test mic, 1, 2, 3. Test mic, 1, 2, 3. And now nasa likod ulit tayo ng camera. Test mic, 1, 2, 3. So ano sa tingin nyo yung front settings? Alright, so we're still using the built-in microphone of the ZV1 Mark II. We're using the rear setting, back setting. So basically yung back ang i-capture niya yung mga sounds. Yan. So testing testing. 1, 2, 3. Test mic, 1, 2, 3. Test mic, 1, 2, 3. Punta tayo sa likod. Test mic, 1, 2, 3. Yan, so yan yung back settings ng mic. Alright, so we're still using the built-in microphone, the ZV1 Mark II. Now, sinet natin sa all directions. Yan, so since this is a 3 capsule mic, meron yung setting na it's gonna capture all of the sounds that it can pick up in the surroundings. Yan. So test mic, 1, 2, 3. Test mic, 1, 2, 3. Test mic, 1, 2, 3. And punta naman tayo sa likod. So ngayon nasa likod na tayo. Test mic, 1, 2, 3. So ano sa tingin nyo yung quality ng mic pagka naka all directions yung kanyang settings? Alright, so ngayon naman ang ginagamit naman nating microphone is yung ating Rode Video Mic Go. Ayan, it's one of the parang mga entry levels ni Rode. And it's a shotgun mic, so basically it's only gonna pick up sounds that are coming directly from the front. Ayan, like ngayon. So testingin natin kung how that it sounds like kapag galing sa mga sides and sa back yung mga sounds. So test mic, 1, 2, 3. 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 And ngayon nasa back naman tayo. Test mic, 1, 2, 3. Test mic, 1, 2, 3. Yan. So ano sa tingin niyo yung quality ng Rode video mic ko? Ipapakita rin natin sa video yung itsura niya, no? And how does it look like pagka nakakabit na siya doon sa ating ZV1 Mark II. And yung ating setting ng mic ay nasa 25 if I'm not mistaken. Alright, so ang ginagamit naman po natin ngayon yung ating nabiling very cheap na wireless mic sa Shopee. Ang brand po niya is TNW. Yan. Alright, so kung makikita nyo, meron na rin siyang dead cat. Currently, nakaset siya sa noise cancellation. Ayan. So kung nakapatay naman yung kanyang noise cancellation, wala namang problema. And I'm very much satisfied sa kanyang audio quality. Ayan. So this is the sound quality pag naka-on yung kanyang echo. Alright, so ngayon naman testingin natin yung video niya without the ND filter. So naka-turn off po yung ating ND filter. And naka-turn off yung naka-turn on yung ating stabilization. Ayan. Naglalakad lang po tayo ng mahina, no? Pero hindi naman yung iniingatan natin yung lakad natin. So ito yung normal na lakad po natin. Alright, so ngayon naman po naka-turn on yung ating ND filter. So ano sa tingin nyo, na minimize ba niya yung brightness? Kasi tanghaling tapat po ngayon, it's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So tirik na tirik po yung araw, no? Sinadya po talaga nating lumabas ng ganitong oras yan para at least matesting natin kung gaano ka-effective yung kanyang ND filter. So again, naka-on pa rin po yung ating stabilization. Alright, so this time around, try naman natin na naka-turn off yung kanyang digital stabilization. Naka-turn on yung ating ND filter ngayon. So this time around, ang i-testing lang natin na yung kanyang video quality kung naka-turn off yung kanyang stabilization, yung kanyang active stabilization. Alright, so ngayon naman i-testing natin yung kanyang Cinevlog. Yan, cinematic vlog. So naka-set siya sa classic and auto. So again, thank you so much, and hopefully abangan niyo po yung mga susunod pa po natin mga video, and hopefully sobrang hopefully po talaga na nagugustuhan niyo yung aming content. So from Sampaloc and Laloma, Quezon City, it's Brian of Kid and Dad Motovlog. Peace, and we love you all. Thank you.